Alex from WTI. This SUNLIFER smoker has been so much fun to use. It was easy to assemble and the parts were packaged carefully. I like this because to me it makes me believe that the company takes pride in their products. So we're off to a great start. Now for the cooking. I'm a beginner when it comes to smoking meats, so I wanted to start off with something simple, so I went with chicken. See all that smoke coming out? It's working! And voila! Look at the color on that chicken. And boy, was it tasty. I'd also did a pork shoulder and it turned out just as good as well. I really appreciated how easy it was to use, especially as a beginner. It boosted my confidence in my smoking skills. It's also portable and lightweight, so you can take it with you when you travel. It fits into my SUV hatchback perfectly. This SUNLIFER smoker is a great choice, especially if you're a beginner. And that's my point of view.